Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with ReCharge 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a ReCharge account. If not, you can sign up from getrecharge.com website. So you'll need just to type that website on the search bar and enter, then just go and click on get started from here, or from here on the top right corner of the website. And then you will need just to fill the blanks with your first name, last name, email, and the store URL, so you can add your Shopify URL here. Then just check mark both options. And yeah, you will need to go with Shopify here, agency name, number of current subscribers, and yeah, you will need to answer all of these questions, then just go with submit. Okay, so after creating an account, I want you to go back to your Shopify and click on the settings, the last option on the left hand menu. Okay, so once you click it, I want you to scroll down a little bit and click on apps option, and then go with Shopify app store, the option that's located on the top right corner. So after clicking it, you will be forwarded into the App Store of Shopify, and then just select the search bar and type right there ReCharge subscriptions. Okay, so that's one, select it, and then just install the app from here, and then you will be forwarded into a verification page or a confirmation page. So to confirm, you will need to click on install again. So you will be forwarded into this page, and as you can see right here, you will need to verify your Shopify user email address before you can access ReCharge. So you will need to verify your email at first, and then it will be added right here on the installed apps. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.